So good evening all of you. You are learning all your subjects in your digital form, that is through videos. So here you are going to learn your LIC also through your video. So we have already started your fourth unit, that is analog to digital conversion and digital to analog conversion. So we have already taught digital to analog conversion in class itself. So I'm going to teach you now the analog to digital converters. So in analog to digital conversion is the function is same, function is just opposite to that of your digital to analog conversion. In your digital to analog conversion, your digital format is converted into analog form. We always represent your analog form in terms of voltage or your current. Okay va? Next, so what are your input and what are your output in terms of analog to digital conversion is, input is your analog, that is your voltage, VA, A represents your analog voltage. Then output is in the form of digital format, that is your binary word. Binary word is nothing but your zeros and ones. So as usual, if we represent digital, it should be represented in least significant bit and also the most significant bit. Okay wow. So here is your block diagram of your analog to digital conversion. So your input will be your analog and output will be your digital. So this circuit has to be energized, so biasing should be given. For that we are giving the reference voltage. So along with your input, output and the reference voltage, additionally you have two control lines, that is your start and EOC. What is EOC? Is nothing but your end of conversion. So once your process is over, we have to give the command as EOC, else the process will be continuing. Okay va? Next, the classification of analog to digital converter is direct and indirect type. The other name of indirect type is your integrating. The meaning of your indirect is, so you have to convert your analog signal first in terms of linear function, that is in terms of time or frequency, and then you have to convert it into a digital code. So hence it is called as your indirect type of conversion. First step, you have to convert it into a linear function, that is your time and frequency. You need to change the analog input signal into a time or frequency and then into the digital codes, that is into the form of zeros and ones. So it is called as the indirect type or integrating type ADC. Okay va? So in indirect type ADC you have flash type converter, counter type converter, tracking or servo converters or successive approximation. In this all these types of converters, mostly successive approximation and indirect type of conversion is used. Okay va? So in this, now we are going to see the first type of conversion, that is your flash type A to D converter. So what are the components of the A to D converter? Simple. You are going to have the op-amp, resistor, along with that you are going to have the encoder. So here the op-amp is, the type of op-amp we are used is the comparator. So what is a comparator? So you will be having one fixed input and another one is your variable input. So that is so these two values will be compared and you will be getting the output. So the best example of your comparator is your sensor, whatever the sensor may be. Okay va? So these are the three components you are going to use in the flash type A to D converters. Next, so this is the diagram of your A to D converters. So here we have used 8 op-amps, that is comparators. So in this 8 op-amp, normally we have 2 inputs in your op-amp. So minus represent your inverting terminal and plus represents your non-inverting terminal. All your inverting terminal is connected to the resistor. This type of resistor is called as resistor divider network. Okay, so all your positive terminal, that is your non-inverting terminal, is connected to the common analog input. So your analog input is given to the positive terminal of your op-amp, and this in turn connected to the encoder, that is from 8 op-amp you're going to convert it into a 3 lines. So you're going to reduce it, so you're using your encoder. So you'll be having Y0, Y1 and Y2. These three are your digital output. Okay, wow. So Y0 is your LSB and Y2 is your MSB. Next, so you have the truth table. So what is here we have used all the resistance are of same value, 1 by 8, 4 by times. These all represents the equivalent resistance value. So that is how we have written 1 by 8 times of VR. VR is nothing but your reference voltage, that is your biasing voltage. Okay, so what is so normally we have 3 conditions here. Suppose your analog input is greater than your digital, the value will be 1, digital value will be 1, and if it is less than your digital, the value will be 0. Suppose it is equal, it remains at the previous value. Previous value in the sense, suppose my previous output is 0, it remains at 0. Suppose my previous value is 1, it remains at 1. Okay, next this is your truth table. So your here you are going to use, so these are the divider networks, that is 0 to V by R times of 8 and V by R times of 8 into 1 by 4 times of VR, and these are your various analog inputs. For each step you will be getting the ones, and you will be having the series order of your digital output. So this is the function of your flash type A to D converter. Nothing but you will be having 3 components. One is your resistor, another one is your op-amp, and another one is your encoder. So all your what type of op-amp is used? It is your comparator type of op-amp. So what is a comparator? So it will be having 2 input and single output. So in the 2 input, one will be fixed and another one will be a variable. So comparing this, you will be getting the output. So best example of your comparator is your sensor, and this is your block diagram. So here we have used 8 op-amps. All your inverting terminal is connected to the resistor, and all your positive terminal is connected to the analog input. So in order to reduce the number of lines, so we have used the encoder, and you'll be having 3 output, Y2, Y1 and Y0. So and finally you have the conditions. If it is greater, it is 1, lesser it is 0. Suppose it is equal, it will remain in the previous output. So this is the truth table of your flash type converter. So I'll be updating all the videos one by one. So I don't want to put all the topic in the same video, so I'll be updating in periodically. So kindly watch it. So see your book and see all the topics. So if you have any doubts, kindly ask me. So kindly bear my voice and outside noises. So for further videos, I'll improve and I'll send it to you. Thank you.